Today, me and dog walking guy are making gingerbread houses. VLOGMAS. Originally, me and dog walking guy were just gonna go get a seasonal drink. Then he texts me, do you wanna do gingerbreads? Which I assume means gingerbread house making. He won the cup competition last time, so I need to win the gingerbread house. I don't know what to wear. I don't know what to wear. This is my clean washing that I need to put away. This is the outfit because I just want to be comfy. I'm literally holding a pile of his clothes right now that he's given me. I'm giving them back. I'm breaking up with you. There you go. I'm breaking up with you. Huh?
My slips.
Thanks.
How much more stuff do you have from me?
2 more jumpers.
Are you wearing my jumpers?
I don't think they're going to have gingerbread houses here.
Oh yeah.
Oh. No, but don't you have to make it? You mean you actually have to bake it?
Oh. I thought
No.
the gingerbreads were there.
No, wait. Maybe you do.
No, you do have to add butter. Well, surely you can do it.
I'm gonna have to go to a different place and get them. I feel like this is actually gonna be harder than we think to find them. Right, we're at Lidl. Let's see if they're here. I reckon what we do is we put a divider and then I film my side, you film your side.
Is that your shit?
Yeah, that is so good. I need to get another one though. I film my side, you film your side, and it's like a split screen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They're just not gonna have it though, are they? Toblerone. Why are they so cheap here? I should have come in here for your Toblerone. You know how much I spent on your Toblerone? 7 quid.
Might as well have got you that.
Oh my god, that's insane. You know I've eaten the calendar already, right? I finished it off this morning. M&S have it, Tesco have it. Let me just go on TikTok for this.
How can TikTok be the best way to find out where you need it? Oh.
It's the best Google.
Just now.
I think we go to M&S. M&S never lets me down. No, don't make me look. No, but I keep getting tagged in this. People keep telling me to get that coat. Yeah, I need to turn a blind eye. I love M&S so much. They're literally gonna be in here. I know it. I found them. Had it. Get one from the back there. Are you getting this one?
No.
You can carry them. See, that was a success, I told you. Don't break, no, we don't break even, no! We've got them. We just have to do it based on our own brains and we're not allowed to use what's on the box.
If you make it looking like that box, you've just lost.
Okay, so we can't, okay. We're gonna have to let the girls group chat decide.
But as a disclaimer, you can't copyright the box.
Right, I'm putting a 30-minute timer on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Can't open it. How are you opening this? I'm already stressed.
Oh shit, I've dropped it.
Wait, what? What's the bottom?
What a noob.
I don't understand that. I'm not getting it. I'm not understanding the structure of it.
My house is already up. What have you done so far?
Nothing. This is actually really good.
Are your walls up?
No.
You've done nothing.
Nope. I don't understand it. It's not sticking.
You're gonna have to travel with the roof.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
I suppose you've got to get the sides on first, don't you? One step at a time for you.
No!
That didn't sound good.
It's fine. It's not going to faze me. How are you doing this?
I've got a full house.
I've done it wrong again. I've done it wrong again. I'm not a construction guy.
A little bit of dribblage going on there.
Mine's really messy. I've just lost the will now.
Are you up?
No, I'm having to start again. Mine is sick.
Really don't believe that, but have you actually done anything? Oh shit, I've got loads of balls everywhere.
Yeah, I've just dropped my...
No, I've got hundreds of them.
I've just dropped the snowflakes. Ready? What? You made it out as if yours wasn't good. Everyone in the girls group chat on Instagram has to decide who wins. That's mine, that's dog walking guys. Who do you think will win?
Probably me. If you make it looking like that box, you've just lost.